Welcome to a closer look at the Massey Ferguson 2800D compact utility tractor, a machine built to deliver dependable performance, rugged strength, and unmatched versatility for farmers, landscapers, and rural property owners. Whether you're managing a small farm, maintaining large lawns, or working around your property, the 2800D series offers the power and practicality you need in a compact frame. The Massey Ferguson 2800D is equipped with a powerful 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder Iseki diesel engine, delivering up to 48.8 horsepower. This engine provides consistent torque and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from mowing and loader work to hauling and tilling. It offers dependable cold weather starts and low-end torque that's perfect for heavy-duty work. This tractor comes with your choice of transmission. You can opt for the 8x8 synchro shuttle gear transmission or convenient hydrostatic transmission, depending on how much control or ease of use you want. The synchro shuttle option allows for precise speed control, perfect for tasks like loader work, while the hydrostatic version offers smooth, clutch-free operation, great for first-time users or those who prioritize comfort. Built on a rugged steel frame, the 2800D doesn't compromise on durability. With a Category 1 3-point hitch and 2,425 pounds of rear lift capacity, you can easily run rotary cutters, box blades, tillers, and a wide variety of other implements. The rear PTO delivers a solid 540 RPM, giving you the flexibility to use a full range of PTO-driven equipment. The front-end loader, compatible with this model, can lift over 1,600 pounds to a maximum height of around 101 inches, making it ideal for material handling, gravel, feed, or soil work. It also supports quick attachment features, so you can switch out implements with minimal downtime. Comfort and safety are not forgotten. The operator station is designed with a flat platform, easy-to-reach controls, and a high-back suspension seat to reduce fatigue during long workdays. It also comes with ROPS rollover protective structure for added safety, and you can even get a canopy if you're working in hot climates. One of the best things about the Massey Ferguson 2800D is its ease of maintenance. With the one-piece steel hood, service points are easy to access. That means less time in the garage and more time in the field. It's backed by Massey Ferguson's strong dealer network and limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with every job. If you're looking for a mini tractor that offers serious power, versatility, and long-lasting durability, the Massey Ferguson 2800D is a smart investment. From its performance and build quality to its ease of use and serviceability, this compact utility tractor delivers more than just value. It delivers results you can depend on every day. Thanks for watching. For more tractor insights and detailed reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.